Guys, are you looking for something to full-time live in? This thing actually tells you to, okay? This one's a 2022 Jayco Eagle 312 BHOK. BH is a bunkhouse, and this one's a little bit longer than a 30-footer, but this one is super, super nice. So you gotta check this one out, okay? You got a power tongue jack on the outside as well as your propane tanks. You also got the pass-through storage. Always got to take a look at the exterior first before we jump on in here, but nice size pass-through storage. You also got a place for the grill. So if you wanted to hook this up, you can actually bring your own grill and just plop it on there. Really nice and convenient. This one's also got an awning with LED lights. This does have 3 different slides, okay? One on the passenger side and then 2 on the driver's side. Now, the awning with the LED lights, it covers this slide over here. But let me show you another thing that's really cool about this coach on the outside. Of course, you have to look at the kitchen. If you're gonna do something like a full-time living situation in a travel trailer, you gotta have an outside kitchen. They also did the metal, so they didn't do the wood, so there's no chances of water damage getting in this. This is actually gonna last you forever. Okay, you also got the big, huge refrigerator. So if you wanted to host guests and have a couple brewskis, you totally can. It's even got a bottle opener right there as well. So 2 things of storage. And then look at that. That's where you're gonna hook up your grill and other amenities that you want, or just things. TV, just kidding, a TV. That's what I meant. Yeah, TV. But yeah, this is also a place where you can put that TV in and just look at those lights. It just looks super cool as you're here with this coach with the outside kitchen. So what an awesome thing that you're gonna get with this coach. In this one also, instead of putting the speakers on the top, they actually put them mostly to the ground. Now, the reason why they did that is because, a lot of people they're listening from up there, but you actually feel a little bit closer to these because they're actually pointing towards you while you're just sitting down and hanging out outside. So that's really awesome. You got your solid steps here, and this also does come with the shock there too. And what that does is it bears all of the weight. So even grandma, grandpa can totally lift this up all the way up there. Anyone can do it. I mean, if I can do it, and then anyone can. But it's really, really convenient, even on the way down. It's not super hard to bring down, and it doesn't fall on you, okay? So see how I'm just pushing down with one finger? Super nice and easy, so they made it easy for you in order to live in this one, okay? Or long time live or long time travel, whatever you want to do with it. Okay, let's come on inside. Immediately you have access into the bathroom. That's a lot of what people want, right? You want to take a stop, you don't want to have blocked access from the bathroom. So as soon as you walk in the door, it's not blocked by any slide outs or anything. You can use that if you want. Come on into the living space. This is a nice sized living space. So with a little bit longer of the travel trailers, you get more space to live in, right? So you got your U-shaped dinette right here. This does convert into a sleeping space. Just take that down. Then you also have some storage on the bottom here. Jump right into your love seat. This also does convert into a sleeping space as well. You just take off these covers and then pull it on out. It will convert into a sleeping space. Then you got this nice shelf right here, as well as some cabinetry doors. And they did the see-through glass, so it's not like one of those pattern windows. You can actually just see what's in the cupboard. Okay, and then you got a chance for storage here on the bottom as well. Really good size storage. They're really taking care of you in this. Popping on over to this side, you got the TV. You got the sound bar as well, which is really nice for watching movies and all those different things. You also got the fireplace right here, which is fairly nifty and fantastic. You got some storage things on the top. Then into the kitchen, this does have an island, okay? Really nice countertops. It's got one of the drying racks as well as a cutting board. And these both are removable, okay? So that's really, really convenient. Coming on over to here, you got your 3-burner stove cooktop with a window just right on out there, so you can still have some place to see. This is a pull one, and it's really, really convenient and nice. Guys, looking in this, there's a lot of just little things of storage too. So for that long time traveling or full-time living, you can totally have some space for storage here. And you got your pantry right here for your cereal boxes or anything else. And then down on the island, you can see that there's a lot of drawers here with some storage you can put on under here. Here, I'll just open this side so you can see. And then there's also access into the piping there, or just extra storage. They also blended this refrigerator in to kind of make it as one. So it's not just one big fridge in your living room here. So they kind of made it blend together, which is a good look. Really nice. You also got some storage up here too, so you can put your plates, your mugs, or get creative with the space and put anything else in there. And just nice shelving you got here. Jeez, so many places and chances for storage. I mean, they're really taking care of you here. You even got a light right there. Bam! So like I said earlier in the video, this is a bunkhouse, okay? But what they did differently was they actually put the bunkhouse in like a separate room instead of like one with the living space. So come and check this out. This is super cool. Okay, when you get in here, there are 3 big windows, okay? Or 1 big window and then a couple on the side here. You got the big bunks in here as well, which is really nice and sturdy and actually a pretty soft mattress. Okay, a lot of space for storage here, okay? Like I said, if you are taking kids or you want to actually bring adults, you totally can. This is a really beautiful coach for that. You also got a bunk on this side and a love seat right there. What they did cool with this one was that usually you'd have to pry this and then put it in the hole, but you just push it all the way there and then it just locks it into place. Really convenient and easy for kids to use. So that one's really, really cool. Got the love seat as well as the tables on the side. They do have USB ports and electrical outlets on the side there. So the kids, if they want to plug in their iPads or chargers for their phones or anything like that, you totally can. And then you got more storage here. Yeah, check this out. Dang, look at all that. That's crazy. It's just crazy. Yeah, I really like this one, guys. This one's cool. If you really want a lot more privacy from the kids or just for other guests that you host, this one's a really good one for that. Now let's go into the bedroom on where most of y'all will be staying. Okay? This one is a king-size bed. And it's also got lights on each side. Okay? For the lights, you can see that the switch is just on the other side there. This does include storage on both sides, so wardrobe, his or hers closets, and right above as well. Then you also have some more storage right here. Check this out. A lot of storage right there, and a couple drawers right here on the bottom as well. And then if you want to have more storage on the bottom here, you totally can. Nice size, and it does have those springs there, so it bears all of the weight, so you don't have to muscle it up yourself. Complete with the USB ports on the side, as well as the electrical outlets for your CPAP machines, chargers of any kind, or things like that. Guys, if you like this trailer, just comment what you think is the best trait about this trailer, okay? I would love to help you out, so give me a call, okay? My phone number is 541-799-8794. My name is Kyle, and I would love to help you at BISH'S RV. Hope you have a good day, and we'll see you later. Happy camping.